In this video, you'll learn how to use your Roofr Performance Dashboard. Start by setting your desired filters. You can view your job report by time period, day, week, month, quarter, or year, and refine your view by address, customer, owner, stage, status, workflow, or dates. Set a job-created date and a comparison date to see percentage change in the KPI cards and compare performance across time periods. Click Reset to clear filters and view all lifetime jobs on your report. The jobs breakdown by workflow helps you understand where the jobs are concentrated and spot any patterns or seasonality. The Workflow Value Trends chart shows which workflows are driving the most revenue. The overall metrics by workflow chart shows specific metrics and values for each workflow. To get more detail, click on any chart to open a window and view the underlying data. The detailed job chart at the bottom of the page contains all your jobs data and can be sorted and filtered as needed. Click the Export Data button to export the data in this chart.